So this side looks good. Let's move on to another part of the footer. So if we jump over to the design, the next textual section is right here. So I'm going to go over to the flattened version of our design, and I'll create a design snippet here. We'll draw the rectangle marquee around these menus at the bottom. I'll create a new file, paste it in. We'll save it for the web, and we'll call this footer center. I'll jump back to our editor, and in our index, let's change this image screenshot to footer center here. And for now, since we're focusing on just these menus and not the left section of the footer, let's comment these out so we don't see them. The way you can comment something out in HTML is by doing a left angled bracket, an exclamation mark, and a dash dash. And the way we end it down here is by doing a dash dash and then a right angled bracket. And we'll add our HTML right inside the footer here. I'll save this and jump back to our browser and refresh so we can code against this.